are you talking to? I don't know.
Critics rave that Saw 12 is 6 times better than Saw 2.
Why would anyone go there?
They don't have a choice. They knock him out and bring him there.
How?
Like this. 3 times better than Saw 4. You want a candy?
Okay, sure.
Almost as good as a seesaw.
I don't feel so good.
And 2.4 times better than Saw 5.
Hello, Ryan. I want to play a game.
Where am I? Who are you?
I am someone.
Oh, okay.
But that's not the point. I want to play a game.
A game? What kind of game?
It is a game about whether you live or die. Because for the past 10 years...
Is it a board game? I love Monopoly. Just putting it out there. What? No. Xbox? No. PS3? What are you talking about? Game Boy Advance? We would like to play. Sega!
This is not that kind of game.
Oh, okay.
As I was saying, for the past 10 years...
Let me just stop you right there. If this is Halo 3, you can count me out.
What?
Okay, you're gonna make me say it. I find Halo 3 boring now.
I think I hate you.
And when I say Halo 3, I mean all the Halo games, and any game similar, so no Counter-Strike, Call of Duty, Gears of War, maybe World of Warcraft, you know, I'm not sure, but...
Listen, this is serious. I am not talking about stupid first-person shooter games, nor am I talking about the World of Warcraft. I am talking about a game, whether you live or die. This is a game about a life, your life.
So like, Sims 3?
Saw 12. Coming soon.
Let me go right now!
Whoa, where am I? What is this thing I'm hooked up to? Ew, who's that?
Hello, Orange. I want to play a game.
A game? Okay, let's play Go Fish.
What? No.
How about Chutes and Ladders?
No, you don't get to pick the game.
Why not?
That's not how this works.
Why?
Because, now just listen.
Why?
Because I said so.
Okay, geez, who crafted your cornflakes?
Alright, now, Orange. So far, you've made a living annoying people. Society would call you a nuisance. I would call you an abomination.
Yeah, and I'd call you Clownface.
What?
You look like somebody smeared mashed potatoes on a mime.
That's enough.
You're kind of emo, aren't you?
No, I'm not emo.
You're an emo clown.
Listen, the device you are attached to is a death trap. It's hooked up to a timer. If you do not locate the key in time, you will...
You mean this key right here?
What the? Where did you get that?
I don't know.
That's just great. You're totally ruining the game.
Your game sucks. Let's play Yahtzee.
I hate Yahtzee.
Jenga?
No.
You like backgammon?
Oh my god, you're annoying. Oh, I can't take it. That's it. I'm moving on to Eggplant.
Whoa, it's Barney.
Yeah, dude, I'm not Barney.
Hello, Eggplant.
Hey, Barney. Can I teach you a song?
No.
Hey, I'm not Barney. Dude, is this part of the torture or what?
Look, this is not how this usually
I'm
happens.
an orange, that's a key. There's an emo clown on TV.
Do I look like a giant purple dinosaur? I'm an eggplant.
You look like a potato with bad circulation.
I swear to God, I'm so done with this crap. Why did I think this was a good idea?
Hey, I'm an orange. You're not me. Jigsaw has to take a pee.
Shut up!
Hey, potato.
What?
Death trap.
Huh?
Aw, poor potato. He never saw that one coming.